Hi, this is Fern from FML. Welcome to the channel. And that's FML Diversify. I'm doing a quick little tutorial on posting on Facebook Marketplace. So this is one of the items that I'm going to post today. So you can do different kids things. You can go about and collect children's things are good to sell because people's children are constantly growing, so they're constantly buying new clothes for them. And when they're in excellent condition, you can get a good payout for it. So I would just encourage you to use your kids' old clothes that you may not have a child that's underneath them. So you might want to just take that item and go ahead, clean it up, wash it, make sure it's laundered. And I'm going to be teaching you how to do some boxing and prepare your item for shipping. So I just wanted to come out and give you an example. This basket right over here in the corner, it was in good condition. It's just that somebody put too much weight in it and the back broke out of it. And so I took my time, I sat on my tools and I fixed it. And it took a little while, and it was my second time. This time I used like some paper, some ties to reinforce it. And then I put on the ad, I said, well, it's a good carriage. It rolls extremely well. And I told them that, you know what, I told them the whole thing about it. I gave them a whole description. So how to go about fixing it up. I told them I fixed it up and I put the ties on it just to secure it. Somebody did contact me. They wanted delivery, and it could have been a prank, so I'll wait. But yet at the same time, if not, then I'll donate it. I'll bring it to one of the senior homes, and I'm quite sure that somebody there needs a carriage. And I told them not to put any heavy weight. Somebody might have crammed it and just too much weight, and it bulged it out. I wouldn't particularly put the 24 cases or 40 cases of water in this. Sometimes everybody wants to come home with a bottle of water, and it's just too much weight. The wheels on this particular car are very, very good. So you can go ahead and do those. And then I posted some baby clothes. Well, my daughter, she has little kids and what she doesn't need. So I'll go ahead and list these on Facebook Marketplace. There's a couple of other platforms that I list on, but I'm not going to be doing that today. So what I'll do is when I do my next tutorial, I have some other things I need to list, and I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to go about it in the next tutorial. So I just want to let you know the things you have around your house that are usable, you can just clean them up and resell them, and ask a fair price for it. The jacket I'm going to be asking, because it's a North Face, I'm going to be asking 20 for it, maybe 15. I want it to move quick, so I might drop it 15 or 10. I just want to get it going. So, but again, remember, it's going to help pay your bills, buy you groceries. In this particular cart, I asked 10 for it. And like I said, it rolls really well. And if somebody just needs to get, a little groceries or whatever, just don't put too much weight in it. And when I seen it, I grabbed it. I was like, I can fix that. I do a lot of fixing of things and things like that, and I take my time. And the last thing I sold a recliner that my brother in the Lord didn't want, and I didn't want it either. So I just put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and I got $40, and I put it into his ministry, to be a blessing, So I just want you to know that this is just a couple of options that you could do to make ends meet. Have a good one. Quickly, I also put on a beautiful trench coat that somebody donated to me. It's in excellent condition. It's missing the liner, but I put that up online also for $30. It's in excellent condition. And so if I get a negotiation or offer for 25 or 20, I'll take it. So you can make ends meet, and it's just going to take some work. I'm doing this right with my phone. So just go ahead and start grabbing and cleaning those things up. I'm still working on that book. And remember, it's still on Amazon. You can purchase it. It's $12.99 for the book, and it's a good resource to help you to show how you can either do tag sales and do different platforms to sell on, and make it work for you. All right, have a great one. This is Fern from FML Diversify, and remember, subscribe below, share it with someone. People need help out there, and make it ends meet to get those bills paid, so things could work for you in your advantage. All right, don't forget the transportation service, taking people to the store. You're not a Uber, you don't work for Uber, you're not an Uber, but you are transportation. Just people you know and stuff, and just let them know your stipulations and your policies before you take them out anywhere. Just little things that you could do to make it for yourself and your family. That's important. All right, have a good one. Talk with you later.